there. It's always for me been about preventing and maintenance. I think maintenance, when you have maintenance, that leads to preventative.
Okay.
But they're definitely connected. They're not separate thoughts. So in my experience, I think for 3 years now, once a week, I've been getting a BioTouch session. And I was really healthy going in, so I might not get the same amount of reaction in my body that maybe somebody under a crisis is going through. But what I discovered about how I feel about that? There's an underlying hope, an underlying base of possibilities that I am doing something on a consistent basis to maintain and prevent those things that come up in all of our lives. And I feel like I have undertaken to participate in this. BioTouch has let me do this. I've stepped up, and I'm once a week committed to myself. I'm giving this a gift to myself once a week for 20 minutes. And I think I'm reaping all kinds of amazing stuff from that.